So this is asking you, the causative organism, right? And it's basically telling you that in 37 degrees, in 25 degrees, it has branching hyphae, and in 37 degrees, it has smooth white colonies with, the rounded elongated cells, right? So there's this popular mnemonic that goes, like germ tubes in the heat and pseudohyphae in the cold, or like some people say yeast in the heat and mold in the cold, right? So that does tend to confuse some people here. So most of you guys would have been confused between these two options, as Candida and sporotrichosis. All right. So the thing is, right, Candida does not have hyphae; it has pseudohyphae, right? Branching hyphae and rosettes of conidia, right? That is, rosettes of conidia is indicating another organism which which basically is like has cigar shaped yeast. Yeah, that's called as sporotrichosis, the sporothrix. Yeah. So the reason it's not Candida is because, first of all, is it does not have hyphae, right? It does not have hyphae. It has germ tubes, right? And germ tubes in the heat, that is at 37 degrees. And it has pseudo hyphae in the cold, and not hyphae, right? So you can rule that out, Candida. And yeah, speaking of hyphae, these are the keywords you need to remember during the exam. If the exam says, if the question stem says that there are right-angled septate hyphae present, immediately think about Rhizoplasma mucor, right? Don't even bother reading anything else, because that's what the question is trying to ask you. And another one will ask you like acute angled septate hyphae, then it's aspergillus. And most of the times they ask you to differentiate between these two guys. Like they'll give you a histological picture, okay, and they'll ask you which one is it, and option mein dono hoga, Rhizopus and aspergillus. And by looking at the histological picture, you should be able to identify, okay, this is right angle, this is acute angle, and then make the diagnosis. Right, look at this. This is mucormycosis. So look at this 90 degrees branching hyphae. Cryptococcosis is basically not even a dimorphic fungus, right? So it just exists as a yeast. That's a budding yeast, though. Yeah. So it's so easy to rule out. And Tithiasis vesicular, it'll have that characteristic spaghetti with a meatball appearance, which is seen here. Again, yeah, spaghetti with meatballs appearance. So these red things in the background, yeah, see, spaghetti with the meatballs appearance, yeah. So this is the yeast, right? And with the hyphae, and these are the meatballs, the red ones.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.